Hi, Meg here. In this video we're going to go over how to add and change around and edit your Facebook applications. What your Facebook applications are these boxes right here. Okay, so every Facebook page is going to have them, and you will have the standard ones, so the photos, the videos, the events, the notes, and Facebook automatically will create those for you, the likes, etc. So the first thing that you want to know is that you basically can create as many as you want. I'm not sure exactly what the number is, but you can have quite a few. And how you're going to move around and edit them is first you need to select this arrow right here so it populates all the boxes. And then up in the right hand corner you're going to have a little pencil. And this is where you're able to swap position. So this is you can move them around. See which applications you have installed. You can remove them, edit the settings, link to this tab, etc. Okay, so how you're going to add a new application is basically there's a couple different ways. So the first way that you can do it is by selecting the X and basically, excuse me, go find more apps. And so people create applications for Facebook. So you can search the application database for something that serves your purpose. There are a couple ones that are good go-to ones that I will recommend. So the first one is the static HTML iframe. So if you go to this application, what this does is it allows you to add this tab to your page and you can customize it from there. So you can either add HTML coding, you can upload photos, and you can be really, really creative. So if you have a web designer, I recommend doing it this way because you can customize it. For those of us that don't have a web designer and want to do it ourselves, ShortStack is another really great free service. The basic is free and it will brand ShortStack at the bottom of your application page. Or you can, how do we go? I want to show, let's go to features. Or you can also upgrade and then you get additional functionality. And so what it does is it will automatically create different applications for you. So you can do, let's see here, let's go to examples. You could do a sign-up form. You could have a nice full page here for a working tab, a voting contest, just pages with general information, creative use of iframe. So again, if you have a bit more like a web designer on your side, so ShortStack is another really great way to go. Okay. Another place that you can go is called Double Your Likes. I'm not sure if they offer this now, but this is what I use for a lot of my applications on Facebook, so you might want to hop over and check them out, and they have a lot of really good Facebook information. And another way too is if you use MailChimp, you can set up a sign-up form as one of those applications as well. So you would just go to this location here and then set up your form, and it'll walk you through exactly the steps. Super, super easy. Okay, so headed over back to, let's go back to my Facebook page here. See if I can find myself. There I am. Okay. So back to my page here. I'm going to make these a little bit bigger here. So you can see, so this one is through a Facebook blog application that I found and downloaded. This one's a special Twitter application. This one's through the Double Your Likes. This one's through something called Badgely. So you can see that I use a bunch of different ways, like a bunch of different applications just to kind of play around and, I don't know, try different things out. So in a nutshell, that's how you add the application. How you're going to want to, let's go and do some editing. So once you do have the application created and you select edit, you do have an option of customizing the image, which is really neat. So you can select change. And what you can do is, this is how you're going to brand these applications, is you're going to edit the image. So you can create an image or have a graphic designer create an image that's 111 by 74. You can go ahead and choose that image and upload it. So that's what I did for this little pineapple, and that's my welcome application. So that's a pretty neat functionality too. And then you also have the option of naming the tab. So you could call it, Meg's blog. I could call it, welcome, whatever. So you can really have more detail there as well. Okay. What else is there? So you're also able to show which ones and to select which ones show up here. You won't have more than 4 show up. That's set within Facebook. but you are able to move them around. So say I wanted to swap the blog app with the likes, I can go ahead and do that. So now it's going to appear here and the likes are going to appear there. Great, so hopefully that helped a bit, and let me know if you have any more questions, and good luck.